Let's create one more tutorial in Autodesk Inventor. In this tutorial, you'll learn to use the Extrude and Revolve. So open the Inventor and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will make the base. So the base is a rectangle with 120 millimeters by 100 millimeters, and we will extrude this 20 millimeters. So let's create this in the top plane. So go to create a sketch, select the top plane. Let me rotate this a little bit and select center rectangle. Click here in the midpoint, make a rectangle here 100 millimeters by 120 and press OK. And finish the sketch. Go to extrude, select this profile. The distance one direction and the distance here is 20 millimeters and press OK. We made the base. And now we will select the top face and we will create this sketch. And the first thing that we'll make, we'll create a center line with 120 millimeters between this edge here and this edge here. And we will create these two lines. This line here has 40 millimeters of length and this line here has 20 millimeters of length. So let's create this. Go to sketch, select this face here, select a line, find the center of this edge and find the center of this edge. And now click here in this point, make a line here with 40 millimeters and create a line here with 20 millimeters. And now we will create these lines here. We'll put the dimensions later, okay? And here we know that this line here is equal this one. This line here is equal this line. And this line here is equal this line here. So select the line again. Click at this point, make a line here. And make a line between these 2 points. And now go to constraints and select equal. Select this line here. And this one. Select this line here and this one. And go to vertical constraints. Select this point and this point here. Okay. And now this line here has 40 millimeters of length. And the angle between this line here and this one is 45 degrees. So go to dimension, select this line here. The length here is 40 millimeters and the angle here is 45 degrees. We made this one. So finish the sketch, go to revolve, the axis, select this line here. And the angle here is 180 degrees. And flip the direction. Change the direction here. The operation is join and press OK. We made this one. And now we will create these two holes. Let me remove the red lines here. This hole and this one. They both has 10 millimeters of diameter, and the distance between the center of this hole and this edge is 10 millimeters, and the same to this side, 10 millimeters. So let's create this. Go to sketch and select the bottom face. Select a circle, make a circle here with 10 millimeters, and create another circle here with 10 millimeters. And go to dimension. The distance between this circle and this edge is 10 millimeters. Make the same here. And finish the sketch. Go to extrude. Select the both profile. And here flip the direction. This cut is through all this body. So the distance here, select it through all. Operation, cut, and press OK. So that's it. Here we finish your exercise, so thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.